Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Secretary ko All India Congress Committee Mathew Anthony Ulaong baki Ngut ki MLA bala Iehnoh ikaseng Kidei ki Judas Namar Ïalade nagbanta ki jimin toy Ïalade Ulakali bakini kila syajiat hakashap jong kakti ni ki syajiat kum ki shimen bat ki klan baki patba ki jiat yaki Namar ki shania ikaseng Congress baki jiat baki shania yaki Ulaong bakaseng Congress kala Jumat ka jing syashat kala Hendai watla kata kidang bun ki patba ki basyania hakaseng Shu ulaong bagaseng ke pedang ki priyo ki badan shisha ke bensim ban syakri upatba ya ki priyo ki bade Ïalade.
Doing the organization strengthening, which we had our meeting today, and I, as an AICC representative, I will speak very less on that matter. I will let the actions of the party through our leaders here, officially President Mathew and Saleh RLP. We have discussed in detail about this one. You will see the action in the coming days. If you want to add anything on that, you can add, or if you want to speak. On our absence in the assembly and the KHDC election, which we have spoken on, I will speak on the absence of the assembly. The 4 MLAs who have left us. Let's address the bull in the hall. How were they elected? Were they elected as individuals or were they elected as under the symbol of hand? They were elected under the symbol of hand. So people trusted whom? People trusted the Congress party. Okay. So a few people ask me why I call them Judas. Because when you have the power of an MLA, it is a power given to you, entrusted by you to fight, given by the party to fight for the party and become an MLA. The ruling party, because of their anti-incumbency, the chief minister finds himself in a very insecure post or position, wanted to balance his side by adding people from the other side. And unfortunately, we had people who sold out their souls. And what do we call them? Judas. We have no element of a second thought to call them out as Judas because they sold their souls for themselves, forgetting that they were chosen by the people for the Congress party. And the same people will choose the Congress party again. And that is the commitment which we have from the people. And Congress party is not new to this betrayers. We were in this country from 1800 onwards. We put this country together. We faced many challenges. We have seen the ups and downs. But we delivered to the people at every point of time. And that is the confidence which is backing us. We have people with us, who are willing to join, including big names in the state. But we are not kind of, looking into them. We are looking into people who can stay committed to this party. We are looking into people who can build the commitment to the people of Meghalaya. Our only interest in building the party is for the people who stay committed to the people of Meghalaya and not for themselves who sell themselves. I don't have to tell you about anything. You are journalists. You can check the bank accounts of those people.
Do you think that the
election we had Ronnie, who was completely supporting the NPP alliance, whereas, the PCC president and each one of us wanted that alliance to be called off. And we see that, there was an understanding between the NPP and Ronnie at that point of time. That's why he moved aside. So why should you blame a PCC president for that one?
Yeah. We are all equally responsible.
We are all, see, on an election performance, let us say that, we wanted that alliance to be called off much earlier. But we had Ronnie, who was kind of a part of that one, saying that there were many schemes which he was planning to do, but we never knew that this was a scheme. We thought it was a scheme for the people, but it was his personal scheme which he was planning, which we don't know.
He was also in this scheme.
That's what. So the scheme which he was planning to be delivered was this scheme. Whereas we thought the scheme was, the scheme for the people of Meghalaya. Yeah, so that is what it is. So we collectively take the responsibility that we couldn't perform well in the KHDC. But we will never agree to your question and proposition that no, it is a PCC president's failure.
I abruptly deny actually regarding the blame, against our president. When those kinds of what do you call the treacherous people are there inside who just came out, then whom do you think who should be blamed? Okay.
See, look at the democratic freedom which we had inside our party where we trusted the MDC Ronnie. When he said that no, the alliance has worked out good schemes for the people of Meghalaya, and so we should not call off the alliance because we will lose out the credit for that alliance. And yes, we lost out the scheme. That the scheme was with Ronnie and NPP, which he never disclosed to us.
He was
And also
he was the beginning itself. Okay, working from inside. So that's why I think we lost.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Sir, now there are some indications.